Welcome! Today I'm showing how to customize volume panel styles into a Honor 20E. First of all, need open Play Store and find Volume Styles application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so now click open. And now need choose your volume styles, maybe like iOS. Okay, choose, and in the top we got start button, so press it. And now need give permission for this application here, and one more time into your settings. Need find this application. Okay, on the bottom. So go into this, volume styles turn on, confirm operation, click OK. And now when we see stop button in the top right corner, we activate our new volume styles panel into a Honor 20E. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.